Hey online entrepreneurs, is your online business legal, or are you making the three most common legal mistakes that I see entrepreneurs making all the time? Unfortunately, I watched my own dad's business get sued for $90,000 for a legal mistake that could have been easily avoided with a proper contract in place, which is why I decided to become a business lawyer so I could help other entrepreneurs from suffering the same fate. My name is Amira Irfan, and I am the business lawyer and entrepreneur behind aselfgrid.com, where we've had the honor of helping over 50,000 entrepreneurs comply with the different laws and sleep peacefully at night, knowing that their businesses are legally protected. And I want to help you too. So if you have an online business, maybe you're a blogger, a coach, a freelancer, or a marketer, or a podcaster, you're going to love this free legal guide that's going to work for any kind of online business I put together after being a lawyer for over a decade. And it's going to walk you through the three most common legal mistakes that you want to avoid in your business. This guide is absolutely free for you to download, so simply click the link around this video, enter your name, your email, and then you will get instant access to the guide. Make sure to check your email, and you will be amazed to see how quick and easy it is to legally protect your business without having to spend thousands of dollars on hiring a lawyer or wasting your valuable time.